Abby. I'm going to be showing you how to do a 4-strand braid. First, you're going to start out with a mannequin or your own hair. You're going to section it into 4 parts. And you begin by going with this first section to the far left. You take it and go over, and then under, and then over again. And you just repeat that. Although the piece on the far left always goes over, under, and over. You just keep doing that over and over again until you get to the end. And once you get to the point you want to stop, you just stick an elastic on it and go back through and pull out braid and make it look thicker and fuller. And there you go. A 4-strand braid.